Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a survey in Microsoft Form. So let's have a look now. Open your web browser and sign in with your Microsoft account. In the Microsoft Forms dashboard, click on the New Form button to start Create a Survey. Click here and give your survey a name. So choose a title that reflects the purpose of your survey. Next, start adding questions to your survey. Click on the Add Question button and you will be able to choose different question types such as multiple choice, text and more. Enter your question. Customize each question settings as needed. You can make a question required, shuffle answer choices, and even add branching logic based on response. These options are available in the menu that appears next to each question. Click here to add images, videos. To give your form a personalized touch, click on the Style button. Choose from available themes or customize colors to match your preference. Before sharing your survey, click on Preview to see how it will look to respondents. After you have finalized your survey, click on Collect Response button in the upper right corner. You can generate a link to share directly, send the form via email, or even embed it on a website. Choose the option that suits your needs. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.